The United States Supreme Court, it looks like now for the first time in nearly a decade, will take up a Second Amendment case. We've been talking about when will this happen. Now the makeup of the Supreme Court, being about as pro-2A as it's been in decades, says yes, it is time to take up the issue of the Second Amendment with all of these cases out there. The case they are going to be looking at comes out of New York. The New York State Rifle and Pistol Association, along with the NRA, has sued the city of New York over this ban that you are not allowed to take your licensed, locked, and unloaded firearm outside of city limits. To think about the overwhelming burden that that puts on citizens of New York, that they can't take or transport their legally owned firearm in their own home state, it is about as unconstitutional as it gets. So now the Supreme Court will hear this. On the surface, it may seem like a simple case, but it is much bigger than that. This has to do with what? Firearms outside of your home. We look at the other previous Supreme Court rulings that all had to do with your ability to own firearms inside your home. This now has to do with taking them outside and past your front door. This could have far-reaching ramifications in support of the Second Amendment if the Supreme Court rules the way I expect them to do, and that is in favor of legal gun owners. We will be watching this case and, of course, following this more and more analysis throughout the week as we take a look deeper into what's going on and the suit behind it.